Well, hey, we got game chat. We got game chops. That's good. We got that. Okay, I can see my stream. We can see the code. Hey, there we go. Okay, so does it print anything still? Hold on. I have an idea. I have an idea. What the heck was that? Oh, okay. It still prints out TDBR stuff. Okay, whatever. I don't remember where that's printing from, but it's somewhere. I think I want to look in here. That's planets, particles. Oh, I tell ya. Okay, so where else? Particles, planets. It's really not it though. It's not in planets because those aren't planets, are they? Oh, I'm so confused. Spaceship, BK, asteroids. Right, that's right. This is an asteroids thing. I forget. It's been so long. Okay, so let's just search for printf. Search for pragma. Alright, there it is, TDBR. Okay, TDBR. Gonna get rid of that. Else, false. Okay, so now is this still printing stuff? Hold on. This is, I haven't even started with my idea yet. I have to get rid of the printfs. Okay. Why is it so laggy? Look at this, oh my gosh. Is it streaming? Is the YouTube and is what is so laggy about this? This is insane. Why is my computer so laggy? I don't get it. ChatGPT is not doing anything. Why is it so laggy? Why is my computer so laggy? With 32 gigabytes of RAM. Okay. Anyways, I forgot to even check if it was... Okay, I guess it's fine now. It's recovered? Somewhat recovered? I have no idea. Okay, so it's not printing anything. We're good. Okay, so the idea I had is this. When, where, why, and how. Okay, when, where, why, and how. BK parts, planets, supershapes, particles. So the particles are here, space particles. Aha, and I've got it. I've got that right up here. Wait, where'd it go? Come here, space particles. Okay, so the fragment shader. Oh, that was a considerable delay. Okay, so for type 1, okay, the total, okay, so right here, rotate texture, fragment color, okay, so right here, all right, okay, so let's do this, total sample, fragment color, so before it even gets to sample the texture, I do not understand why my computer's so laggy. What are we using here for GL point chord? That's fine. Okay, GL underscore point chord dot x is less than 0.1, 0.05. Okay. So the x, okay, so let's just do that. And then we're just gonna go let's just go red for now. And let's put in an else. Put that on the else. Okay. So that should show me in those. Oh, why does it do that? Okay. There we go. See how so this is the problem. Okay. That's what I thought. And it's printing, it's from the, okay, all right. That's exactly what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. That's the problem. Okay, great. That's terrific. Okay, GL point coordinate dot x is greater than 0.095, or, okay. Hold on, we got to do this for the y. Why do we have to do it for the y? Because why? Ask why. Really? Blum 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 blum. Okay, so there's that. So that will print a box around it, and it'll show me. Oh wait, what did I say? If x is less than that, or x is greater than that, or y is less than that, or y is greater than that, why does that do the whole thing? That didn't work. It didn't work. Oh, 095, sorry. Sorry, 095. The computer was actually doing exactly what I told it to do. Okay. Look at the lag on this. This is insane. Why is my computer so laggy? What the heck? You have not had this problem before? I don't see a problem with the stream. You're streaming. Okay. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Kaboom! Okay, so there should be an explosion. Okay, there should have been an explosion. Should have happened a long time ago. Should have happened like the Big Bang. We can't see it. I'm just kidding. Okay. So that will help me troubleshoot now the collisions. Okay, so let's see. What did I do here? Where was the... It wasn't in there. Was it in the planets? No, it wasn't in planets. Asteroids? Was it in the asteroids? Because I took it out of where? The distance between check this. So temp distance is printed. And really I just want it to be clear to myself. Grid spots bound radius. There. Excuse me. I guess the one benefit of it being laggy is that, see, now it's not laggy. Why is it not laggy now? Okay. So is it getting further and further away? 0.3, 0.5, okay, so 0.5, 0.3, 0.08. No, wait, sorry. 0.2, 0.1. 0.19. So the closest it looks like it's getting is 0.18. Okay. And the bound radius is 0.086. Okay, so let's... the bound radius is much harder to print, though, to display on screen. See the bound radius, that's not... Okay, let's do this. Of all the 50 that come through here, we want to go with GL float. We want to go with least distance. Okay. So every time through we'll set least distance equal to that. And then we will get, we want to go GL uint. We want to go with the least index equals 51. 51. I said that like just, it was like, I don't know why I said that, but anyways. So let's go like this right here. So go if least distance is greater than temp distance, okay. Then what do? Then we want to set least distance equal to temp distance. And then we want to set the least index equal to I. Then we don't care about printing this right here, but what we want to print after the loop is right here. So let's print least distance and then grid spots least index, if I could spell that right. Okay, so each time through the loop it's going to print the least, so the closest. Okay, all right, let's do this. Okay, all right, come on, where are you guys at? Okay, boom. That should be the old. Oh, it's not printing. Why is it not printing? Why not? Why not? Check collision. What happened? What happened? Wait, what's going on? I don't get it. Asteroids 10, right? Super Shape PK Asteroids 10. Yeah, let's try it again. Try it again. Hold on. Hold on. Hold the phone. There's a little lag this time. I wonder why the lag changes. It's not printing anything. What's happening? Computer, are we not calling this check collision? I thought it was filling the screen and everything, and now it's just check collision. Right here. BK asteroid check collision.
This is a game shop scam.
Sorry, I thought that was an ad. I was gonna go skip it. So why doesn't it? Why did it? How come it? What? Computer, really? I'm kind of at a loss right now why that doesn't show me the results I want to see. But what? See, this is 50. Loops through all 50, return false. Oh, return. Return. Oh, this is looping until it checks the son of a. Hold on. I forgot what I was doing with this particular function because I just can't read my own code. I didn't comment it. But if I had commented it, I really wouldn't have known. We should just delete that, but whatever. Hold on. I have a new plan. I have a new pla. Oh, hey. What? Hour per? I thought you left a long time ago. What you doing? It says you're running 0.9 in the game. Did you say you're doing V10? Not sure if the file name and program number are supposed to match. Also make me sleep. Lullaby and good night. I could probably change my music to be softer because this is kind of upbeat music. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, so what I think I need to do, what it's doing is just reaching these and it's exiting out of the thing, and so really it's looking for okay, so I gotta fix it. So what I want to do is check in here, but it doesn't return the actual check collision. Count hits. Oh wait. Yeah. But the hits stayed at 0. Okay. So what do I really want to do? There is a collision. Okay, so it never returns true. We're just dealing with this particular set. So it goes through here. Actually, we can go back to that. Let's go to least distance. And least index, let's do it. Let's do it like this. But we're only going to get... See, as soon as it gets into here, it's just going to return. So I'm not going to actually, but how many did it go through? Temp distance was less. I should. Oh, oh my God. Okay, I just figured out why it's not working. Okay, the whole problem is exactly what. Okay, okay. So I'm only checking with 0. So as soon as it checks 0, if it's true, it returns true. If it's false, it returns false. And either way, the first one that it checks, it returns. So it's not checking the other. Oh, duh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Yeah, but we figured it out. Okay, all right. That we can. Okay, all right. Calming down. This has stumped me for 4 or 5 days. How many days? I gotta look. Hold on. How many days has it been since I posted up on YouTube here? 4 days ago. And then even 4 days ago, I switched over to doing Pygame. See, so 6 days. The collision has, I've been, okay. Okay. The distance between check this and G center is greater than bound radius. There's no collision. Okay, so we don't want to return right there. There's a collision. Or actually, we do want to return there, but we don't want to return. Here's the problem. Because there's going to be only one collision. But every single time there's going to be no... Oh, duh, I'm an idiot. It's true. I'm so glad that I figured it out. And now I just got to make it work. Okay, so we don't want to return false there. Bad, Jeff, bad. Okay. So if we go through all 50 and it doesn't return true, oh, so I can still do this. But now it's going to work, so I don't need to. Okay, all right. But you can tell my brain just all of a sudden went 1,000 miles an hour. Okay, get that out of there too. All right, that's fine. Distance, there's no collision. Return false. No, take that out completely. Get that out. Okay, so then we're just gonna, that's it. And let's, so really just taking that out is the answer. Let's see. So there is a collision. Let's, and so what is the, so actually return false. We don't even need this else. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Sheesh. There we go. So after the loop, it goes through all 50, doesn't hit them, boom, goes back. All right, goes back here. So count hits, and we can go back to active and hits and whatnot, but I think we're going to be just fine. All right. Boy, that was so much simpler than I was thinking. Boy, look at this lag on my computer. I really don't get that. But anyways, here we go. Okay, let's just do a spree of them. It's counting the hits. That was it. Son of a bean dip. Holy Moses with a... Okay, we got it. Okay, that's... Oh, I can't believe that's it. I can't believe that was it. Let's... Can I do this? I got the sound thing. I don't know. No, let's do it the other way. There's another way. I put a sound bot in here, but it doesn't work. There we go. There we go. That's from Richard Thornton's soundbot. If you're interested in putting that on your stream, you can do that. It's really cool. I really like it. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. Okay, great. Okay, so how long did that take? 19 minutes? Okay, that's 20 minutes. All right, I'm so excited now. We're getting collisions. So, oh my God, I can't believe I just figured that out. That's so great. Phew, collisions. I was starting to think, what in the heck's going on with those collisions? Oh, I want to take that, hold on, I want to take that out of the, let's go back to the regular pew-pews instead of the pew-pews with stuff around it. Okay. Boy, when I go for that beer or the bottle of wine, I'm really going to enjoy it now. Okay, so we're back to the pew pew. Why does it lags until they start to show up on screen? That's kind of the opposite of what you would expect. Okay, so now that we're getting collisions. Okay, cool. And we don't need to print them, that's fine. Everything's good, this is great. Everything's great, this is good. Strike that, reverse it. Okay, so once we get collisions, then we know we've collided. Okay, that's good. So what do we want to do with that? Shoot, I didn't think that would take 20 minutes. I didn't think I would figure it out. I'm going crazy right now. All right. Oh, I cannot believe that stumped me for so long, and I just got it, and it just took 20 minutes. And of course, trying to debug it was really what did it. So, okay. All right. Shoot. Okay, let me just... I can't even focus right now. I'm so excited. Because this is it. Okay, so account is actives or account hits. We don't even need this. We don't even... What are we doing? What are you doing? Okay, so why am I counting 500 of them? Oh, right, because the particles... Okay, they're going to be... Okay, all right. All right, but we're only going with the active ones, and it only sets the first 20 active. That's why we got that. Okay, so cool. So what we want to do, if check collision and we get a hit. Lurk, explode those blocks you're shooting. Kaboom, look forward to seeing progress. Yes, we're going to do it. So what happens if we collide? Then we know the particle is within the bounds of one of the asteroids. So then we want to figure out which of the... Then we want to figure out which one of these little blocks it's closest to, and then produce a little animation at that spot, and then eliminate that spot. You know what would be really cool? If I added some kind of a thing to these to where the texture looked like it was damaged, so that the one that takes a hit disappears, and then the ones that are kind of around it would take damage. That might be version 2. First version will just do the disappear with a little explosion. Okay, so maybe... Shoot, I've still got some time. Okay, let me do another workout real quick. And then because then I'll have like 30 minutes more to, because I'm going to do 3 workouts and I've already done 1. So let me do another workout real quick. It won't take very long. Enjoy the music. And then when I come back, I will work on whichever asteroid is collided with, finding the nearest block. And then we don't have to do a animation just yet, but what we can do is we can increase the brightness on that block. So that'll be interesting to look at and see. We can just increase the brightness of that block. Or if that's too difficult, we can even do just the brightness. We'll check just the brightness on the asteroid when I come back. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I just ate something real quick, so I'm going to wait for about a few minutes, and then I'm going to do my exercise here. So if type equals 1, okay, so we can just use another type. Else discard, what? So let's just put in another type. Do we already have another type? I don't know. I don't know what you're doing, Jeff. Okay, so then rotate texture, and then rotate texture returns texture that. So let's just, I think we can just multiply this by 1.5. Oh, did I cut it? I'm such an idiot. Blum blum, blum blum, blum blum. So if it's 1, it's regular. If it's 2, it's going to be 1.5 brighter. So in here, whoop, not in there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Update the asteroid to be not brighter. So update the asteroid to shine brighter. So right here we want to go, alright, sorry, hold on. So grid spots, GP index, high type, no, it's not in there, is it? It's right here, this D&D type. Okay, so each one of these has a 10 by 10. So each one of these has 100. So it's actually easier to make the nearest block. Okay. So if we get a collision, find the nearest smaller grid point and make it brighter. So then what we want to do with that particular one, see, because what we're doing through here is we're cycling through all the asteroids as grid spots, okay? And then when we find the asteroid, make it brighter, find the smaller grid point on asteroid, excuse me, I. Grid spots. Make it brighter. So we want to use a for loop and go here. I know I should be working out here, but so of all the 100 that are on that particular asteroid, we want to make sure, and so so they're not all drawn. That's why some of them are invisible. So we don't want to how did I distinguish between drawn and not drawn? Init data, init one, init grid spots, init grid points right here. Skew size, all that. Update 2, rotation, center, okay. Initialize the grid spot with grid points. The ND block is populated here. Init update 1. Rotation size, high type, low type, okay. Else, high type, low type, -1, GP index, oh. Random NG plus grid spots, low type, +1. Local center offset 2, grid spot, okay, so I don't see that, it's in there. Rotate the grid points. Local center offset. None of this sets any of them to, oh, here it is. Oh, right here. Oh, and I commented it so that I know what I'm doing. Holy shirt. Eliminate blocks with one or more exposed edges around the outer edge, and they aren't already type negative. Type -1. Aha. So that means when they're type -1. Aha. Aha. So actually when I'm drawing the points, oh, that's right, because they're all quads. Oh, oh dear, oh dear. So right here, so the type, okay, so where are we at? B type equals GP index, that's that, okay. lim. Count the number of edges. Neighbors with type -1 store in variable edge equals 0, and then it counts the edges. Did I do this? I don't remember doing this. Look at this code here. Shazbot. Grid spots, GP index. Grid spots, SQ size, DND type equals -1, edge. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. So where did they get -1 to begin with? Is my question. That's my question. And we're talking about low type GP index? No. Around the outer edge, and they are an type 1. Oh, okay, so grid spots, SQ size 5. And then it goes through all this. Boom, boom. So this is where they get -1. So here's... Bum, bum, bum. So LSIN, okay, if the block is not in the center, defined as half the total size divided by 2 centered. Grid spots, GP index, all that. Oh, equals -1. I just can't see the whole thing. If M low sin, high sin, and low sin, high sin, B type is greater than -1, and all this, and O edge is greater than 0, rand %3 equals 0. Oh, I see. That's how it did it. Okay. So really D&D block, D&D type. Okay. All right. I'm ready. I'm with you. Whoops, what was I doing? Right in here. So here's the 100. Okay, so what we need to do is reference the 100, that's this particular grid spot, find the smallest grid point on the asteroid that's not D&D type -1. Okay, that should, when I get back from my exercise, that should do it. I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm probably going to go a little bit silent while I eat some more fruit, but I am going to work. So enjoy watching. Okay, what was that? What was it supposed to be? Wait, it's a texture? Is that actually F-type? Is that the same thing I'm thinking of here? So F-type is here. It's A position color type. Is that how that is? Position. Oh, it's not. It's not. Am I looking at the right one? I'm looking at particles. Okay. Here's what we want. Oops. So we don't want to affect the particle. We want to affect... Okay, I'm spacing out. That was kind of a bad dad joke on this, but I had to do it. So let's open space, D&D asteroids 008.vs. Okay, position text, position type, size. And that is the one in asteroids. Position, type, size. Okay, good. Computer, we still have too much open? Or no, it's right there. Okay. So now let's open the space D&D asteroids 008.fs. Okay, so F-type comes through if it's greater than -1. There it is. Okay, this makes sense. So what I was trying to do with... Okay. Alright, once again, I'm a dumbbell. So if it's greater than -1... Alright, so what we need to do here is have different types. Actually, let's just... what's the type that it sets it to? Hold on. Alright, computer, what is the... Let me take another bite of this, hold on. Oh, the type is used for the, oh. I forgot. Okay, so the type is used as the texture. Right. So the texture, okay, so let's, okay, we can do this. I have an idea. So the texture numbers are right here. The highest one is 905, so let's go 1,000, okay? So now let's go into here. So if it's greater than 0, D&D type, okay, find the nearest smaller grid on the asteroid. Okay, so let's do this. Want to find the nearest smaller grid point, which is going to be the D&D block index. So we need that. We need the D&D index for the smallest, and we're going to set that equal to, what is it, 5,000 is the number, so let's go 5,001. And then the distance is going to be the nearest D&D distance. I'm just going to I don't like the DD like that. We're going to go like that. There we go. Nearest D&D distance equals. And then the nearest distance is going to equal. Okay. Let's just start out with like 200. So as we're looping through all the possible grid blocks in this one asteroid that's collided with, if the D&D block type is greater than 0, then we want to compare the distance between that block and the collision point. Is this going to work if I choose any of the... Actually, they all have a center, don't they? Don't the D&D blocks have a center? Because how do I create them? Position, type, size, rotation of 5,000. Ba-bum, boom, ba-bum. Let's just go with the D&D position. It's 5,000 because each one has 100. What? They're not all points. It's okay. Let's just use that. Let's just check it. So nearest distance 200, D&D distance, or D&D index. So the nearest distance. So let's calculate the nearest distance. So check nearest equals GLM distance. Then we want to know the distance between, so temp distance, which is check this in grid spot center, is less than bound radius. So then check this is what was thrown in, which is, hold on, let me just refresh my memory on what that was. Check this. Which is particles, particle position. Oh, so the particle position is right there. And check this. Okay. And that's a vector 2, right? Yeah, it's a vector 2. Okay, great. That's great. That's great. So the temp distance there. Okay. Check this and grid spots I center. No, what actually we're doing this time is going to be D&D block at I times 100 plus J. Okay. Dot D&D position, right? Check this, that. So if that distance nearest is equal to that, is that? It's squiggly. I don't know why it's squiggly. It'll probably be fine in just a minute or two. Okay, so check nearest equals the distance between check this and the D&D block there, dot position, okay? And then we just want to go if nearest D&D distance is greater than check nearest, okay? Excuse me. Then we want to go nearest Nearest D&D distance is going to equal check nearest. And then our D&D index is going to equal I times 100 plus j. Now this is going to, okay, I know order of operations and stuff, but it always makes me nervous, so I'm just going to go like this. And I have to bring my cursor over there and do this anyway, so we're just going to do that. It just makes me feel better. I just feel better. It's all about me and my feelings. Okay. I don't like the squiggly. Go away and stuff. Go away. Don't be squiggly. Okay, check nearest. D&D, so nearest D&D distance is greater than check nearest. And then the nearest D&D distance is equal to check nearest. And then D&D index is there. So, what do we do? What do we do? Oh wait, so no, then after this 100, after we check all 100. Alright, my brain almost stopped working, but it's continuing now. So here, now we have a winner. So there is a collision, find this, okay, so now we have a winner. So now we know D&D index. So all we want to do is just go D&D from block, sub D&D index, okay, dot D&D type equals actually plus equals 1,000. That's it. We're just going to increase it by 1,000. Okay. So what if it was hit before, because this is going to happen every frame. What if it was hit before and it's already above 1,000? So basically, we have a winner. If it gets if it's impacted and it's the nearest one, it will be eligible to be okay. And then if it's not, if it's already been done, then it's less than that. Okay. All right. Now we have a winner. We're not going to worry about that. So it's just going to make them brighter. We're not actually going to return them to their non-brightened state just yet. Because really, we're not going to do that at all. It's just going to have it's going to get rid of it. It's going to make an animation. And so let's see what this does. Uh-oh, what did we do? Oh, we didn't change the fragment shader, so it's not going to do anything different. Oh, and there's an error anyways. There's an error. What? Hold on. Bum, 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 bum. We're not going to use that else just yet, or it doesn't make me feel better. Doesn't make me feel better. All right. So check this. Why is that an issue? You're using it right up here. Use it right down there. Use it. Do it. Did I leave out a semicolon? Did I leave out a comma somewhere? Did I leave out my brain somewhere? I forgot something and I don't remember what it was. Check this, D&D block, D&D position, computer. Just, you don't want to do it. It's just not going to work. I don't know. I'm lost. So lost right now. I feel like I need drugs. I'm kidding. Whoops, what did I do? I just hit something, now I've gone. It did something and it's gone and I don't know what happened. Okay, we're back. My many years and times have changed, just hitting the page up and page down. It just discombobulates me every time. I don't know what to do. So, yeah, check distance, check this. Computer, it's right up here. And then right down, I'm using it, it's the same, it's the same function. What the jeebies? Heebies? Why for? I'm seriously at a loss as to why it doesn't want to do that. It's having a problem with this function? I mean, what? Hold on, let me compile it again. Look at the error. I guess I can look at the error again and just reevaluate my whole life choice in this regard. I guess I should just GLM distance no matching overloaded function. Overloaded. Wait, overloaded. Oh, wait a minute. Check this is a vector 2. Indie position is a vector 3. Oh. That'd be a problem. That would be a problem. That's my problem. Alright. I'm so glad I figured that out, I guess. I don't know. I don't feel right about any of this. It just doesn't feel like it's gonna work for me and stuff. It doesn't want to work. Huh, the squiggly went away. The squiggly is gone. In my country, when the squiggly goes away, that is good. Did it compile? It compiled. It compiled. Wait. What's it gonna do? What's gonna happen? Nothing. Nothing is going to happen. Oh wait, it's updating some of them. Look at. Wait, is it the ones that it's hitting though? And what is it doing to the ones it's updating? Look at. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. I know what's happening because I'm not catching it in the fragment shader. It's going, okay. That's cool. And it's only doing it once, and it's only doing it for the, what is it? Is it the ones where there's, oh. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's kind of cool. All right. That's not what we wanted, but that's kind of cool. Okay, let's get a good laugh in here because that was hilarious. Brace yourself because that laugh is just hilarious. Okay. What else do we get? Zombie killer whale. What's up, man? How you doing? Long time no see. What do you got? What are you calling? What are you doing? What's happening to my cursor? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Let's do one. Let's do a private clash. Reverse. You know I love reverse. You know reverse is my thing. Let's share it in chat. How you doing, man? What's happening? Cool, thanks, man. Glad to see you. Good, glad to see you. Good, glad. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Tomorrow's my Friday, so I'm in a really good mood. And I just figured out my collision detection issue, so that's a really good thing. Uh-oh, he got 80%. That's so unlike you, Whale. What happened? Did you get 100% on the test and it cheated you? That's crazy. Invalid. Why does it say invalid? I submitted too soon. I saw a test fail right when I failed. Oh no. So it's my only chance to get 100% on you. It's my only chance. You saw it here, folks, first. You saw it here. Okay. Suddenly I'm more motivated. I'm just kidding. For I in range, S sub 1. Actually going to be length of S sub 1. But actually don't you want to go up here and go split? Jeffrey, don't you want to split your chances? I have been reading about Python more, and I've been going to want to do some Pygame stuff. But I still don't know if I... Okay, so what does this do? Print S sub 1 sub I. Like that. Okay. So then we just want to print that plus S sub 2 sub I. Okay. So we want to print all those. And then, oh wait. Oh, they're not integers. Son of a bean dip. So do I have to go like this now? I do. Boom. Okay, and then the actual answer is going to be in a string. So we want to go A plus equals. And then we want to go like this. Floopity floop. But then we have to make that whole thing a string. Okay. And then we have to print A, but it's going to include it's not going to have the space. I know there's a map and join way to do this, isn't there? There's a map and join way to do it, isn't there? Because or no, there's a... Actually, wouldn't it be zip? Because you can zip two things together and use like a... what is it called? You can use an algorithm to zip them together. Why don't I just do that? Zip can be used. Oh. So what you want to do though is let's see. Blah, blah, blah. But if I wanted to do it this way, let's just go if I is less than length of S sub 1. But first of all, we'll do this. We'll go if the length of S sub I, or 1, is not equal to the length of S sub 2, then we'll print, what does it say? Invalid. Okay, then we'll put in our else, and then we'll do all this other fun stuff. Okay, so if I is less than S sub 1 minus 1, then you do this and add a space. Else, you just do this. I know, such inefficient code. But we got it. We got it. 100%. Oh, did you just forget the invalid one? Is that it? It would make sense to make the A variable a list and join. What did you do? Print star. Oh. A plus B for A. B in zip. There it is. B in zip S1, S2. B in zip A plus B for A, comma B in zip. Ah. Oh wait, A plus B for A comma B. in zip S1, S2. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't handle the invalid case. Oh, okay. But 80% of your code was valid. Okay, I gotta get back to my game. I do appreciate the code and game stuff though. So we have a winner, and we did this. Okay, so now we need to go to the fragment shader. And the real problem is, in the fragment shader here, so the texture is less than 1,000, the texture number, and that's this F-type. So now we just need to go right in here. If F-type is greater than 1,000, a couple of things need to happen. So one thing that needs to happen is down here. So we'll start out with a, we'll just call it a T multiplier, and we'll go float T multiplier equals 1. Okay, so text color times T multiplier, and then if the F-type is greater than 1,000, then what we're going to do is go T multiplier equals 1.5. And then there's 2 references to F-type. Okay, so let's just set, let's go, let's say float true type equals F-type. Oh, that was not good. Why did you do that? And then we want to go true type is equal to F type minus 1,000. And then right down here, we're going to change this up too. True type. True type. I don't think there's any other reference to those variables. That's all we do to use that. And we go there. That should work. Andrew Tate, top G1, bad practice. That's what we're all about, baby. We're not doing good practice on this run, but I appreciate your comment. And welcome to the stream. Andrew Tate, that name sounds familiar. Oh wait, what's it doing? Is it doing it? It's making them brighter, look at that. Not bright enough. Multiplier. Boy, 1.5. Let's just go 2.5 so I can see. Or wait, actually, no, we can't really cumulatively do that. I don't think. We could make the type. We could make the. Oh wait. Wait, what was happening? What was happening? Did you see how it did it? It's detecting the wrong ones. Isn't it? I don't know. Bad practice I could live with. Bad results. It looks cool though. Look at that. It looks cool. Why is it? Huh. Okay, so the other thing that I was going to do. Here's the other thing I was going to do. Here, hold on. Here's the other thing I was going to do. Now, since we know there's a collision, we don't need to go through all this. Nearest, all this, another collision check, distance, all that. Okay. Boom. Let's not. Let's just go all 100 of them. If that, we don't need to bother with that. Let's go all 100 of them and put this inside. If type is greater than 0, yeah, we still want to do that. Check the particle position. Okay, we don't need to do that. So then we'll just put them all in there. We don't need to do these calculations. Okay, Visual Studio, you're driving me nuts. That is your own human frailty driving you nuts, not Visual Studio. Oh, shut up. Who am I arguing with? Myself. Thank you. Okay, so we don't really need these. We can just get rid of these. We're not worried about those right now. We're just going to make everything, what? D&D index. Oh. This is going to be I. It is going to be I. Okay, there we go. Ba 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 bum. Ba 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 bum. Computer, where are the? Oh, they're there. Get him! Get him! Get him! Why is it going so slow? Okay, I didn't change any of them. Supposed to change all of them. Let's just go like this. Ba 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 bum. What is going on? This one's the only one changing. Why is it so slow? I blame chat. What are you guys doing? I'm kidding. It changed that one. Ba ba bum. Ba ba bum. So D&D block. Oh, because it's not D&D block I. It's D&D block I. It's D&D block this. Alright, it's a good thing I've still got my thinking cap on. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now it might work. It might work. Is it working? It's lagging. Why does it lag so bad like that? I think I need to reboot. I updated my video card right before the Oh, what do you know? It worked. Now all of a sudden it's... Oh, it's lighting them all up. Okay. There we go. There you go. There you go, guys. Does it reset them once it goes to the top? Do they all get reset to dark once they recycle? I'm not seeing that. Guys, don't go away. Oh wait, there's one. They're still bright. Okay. All right. Well, that was kind of cool. It's been over an hour. And this is, I'm going to consider it successful collision detection. We obviously have some things to iron out. And Zombie Killer Whale, thank you so much for the Classic code. Totally awesome. Totally awesome. Ba-da-dum.
P-U-C-K-E-T. Oh, bucket.
Okay, so we're going to continue with bad practice in the next stream. We're excited to do that. We're excited to bring it to you here. And that's about it. Next thing I think I'll need to do is obviously fine tune since we have a collision, but it doesn't look like it's for when it's laggy. I'm going to run this off stream and see what the heck's going on. Pardon me for the toothpicks. So does that go up and do the... Okay. And does it hit? That one seems a little dark. You know, let's just send a little light. Okay, it's a little early when it does the collision. It's a little early. But it does do the collision. I'll give it that. Huh. How come that one doesn't light up? Or is that already bright? Oh no, it's lit up now. Alright, light them all up. Boom, boom, boom. Woohoo! That's kind of cool. Not gonna lie. That's cool. That's laggy and cool. All at the same time. Okay. I'm calling it good. We gotta brush our teeth and floss and shower and get ready for work. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. We gotta get ready for work tomorrow. Alright, thanks everybody for tuning in. Let's see.